I'm here to show you guys how to either slow down the frame rate or speed up the frame rate of a video. Here I picked a clip from Pexels just that had like a lot of movement in it. So we had these cars and there's people in it. So when I brought it over though, notice that other videos that I brought in were high definition 4K. So they had like a larger aspect ratio. And then when I brought over this one, it had a smaller aspect ratio. So maybe it was like 720 or 1080 aspect ratio, so smaller amount of pixels. So notice we have all this black area around it. So I wanted to just take the time too to show you that you can put mixed aspect ratio videos together. So to make this integrate with the other videos, what I'm going to do is select this one. And in my effects control panel, I'm going to go to scale. And then I'm going to just click and drag over till it fills the frame and we don't have any more black. And now it looks like it was always supposed to be there. Okay, so I just wanted to point that out. So then the next thing is, okay, well, I want to make this faster or slower. So you need to make sure that the clip is selected, and then I'm going to right click with my mouse and go down to where it says speed duration. And so right now it's at 100%. So I'm going to change it to 50% to make it slower. So I'm going to do that. And then we're going to try this out. So notice it's slowing down the motion, and then notice that it's now taking up more space on the timeline. And if I right click and say speed duration and change it to like 200%, this is going to make it super fast. So I'm going to say okay. Now notice that I made this gap now. So yeah, you could click and drag over all these and move them over, or you could always right click in, you can click in the middle of like empty space and then right click and say ripple delete to kind of move over all your footage if you are keeping that out. So now we can play back this and then notice how fast it is. So that's how you do speed duration.